KFC, have you ever heard this name? I think yes, because it's a non-veg restaurant which serves chickens around over the world. KFC is an American fast food restaurant chain company. It is one of the second largest restaurant chain after McDonald's. KFC is basically a subsidiary of Yum brand, which also owns Pizzas Hut and Taco Bells across the different countries. Founder was born in 1890 and his name was Horland. When he was 5 years old, his father died and he has to care for his two-year siblings. In 1930, Harland took over a Shell filling station on a US Route 25 just outside North Corbin. So it was his first serve to traveler the recipes that he has learned as a child like fried chicken and many more. Then Harland expands its business year to year, and at that time Harland has 142 capacity as a seat to their customer at a time. And at that time cafe name was Center Court and Cafe. But Center faced some problem because it takes a lot of time to prepare his chicken in an iron frying pan and there is not any method to cook the chicken. If we cooked in advance, so it may be wastage of food if the food was not sell. So in 1939, the pressure cooker was launched onto the market, mostly designed steaming for vegetables. The founder buy it and modified as a pressure fryer which he used for fried chicken. In 1953, Sander franchised his recipe to his friend Perry Harmon of Salt Lake. Then they decided to target as a traveler. Then the hype of chicken was increased day by day. Founder used the line to indicate the chicken that its finger licking good. It goes viral, then founder trademarked it, which is eventually become company's slogan. Then founder launched different types of chicken and in 1957 bucket meal was introduced and it became famous in which 4 pieces of chicken, 5 bread rolls and print of grey in cardboard bucket. Later the company rapid expansion overhauled the aging centers and then it decided to sell it a group of investors led by Joe Brown and Jack Massey for $2 million, and the contract was also signed that he would be the company quality controller and trademarker. Now KFC offered burgers, wraps, soft drinks, shakes, desserts, and the company has a total revenue of 2.83 billion in 2023.